Oh, yes.
Plastic gloves. Kani? So, first, bring me a house. Diba? Bring me a helmet. But alright, next. Bring me taklob sa Coca-Cola. Alright, next bring me your soul. Oh, diba? Diretso bias kayo. Walay soul. Nadaog siya flat screen TV. Alright. Diba? Chubby. So, next game na ta. Game is Baso Relay. So, mag-group into two. So, ano siya ang instruction of? What's the instruction na?
Each person na siya straw. Linya siya. Panay, ang busa ka baso, kailangan di ka nito, kinsa kinauna.
Pasa.
Pasa ra.
So ipasa ang baso. Okay. Ituyok ang baso.
Tuyok ang baso.
Ipasa ang baso. Tapos inigpasa nila, dapat na nai-brag. Kaduway, ano?
Dili, ano man na.
Dili, bigay. Natay. Sayang.
Ano man na, dili. Go na.
Ana. So ipasa.
4, 3, 2, 1, go! Sayang kayo, ay wala. Balik ulo. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer starts now.
Renzo. Ana ka sa banduwa, guys. Next game, please. Next game, please.
Okay, next player.
Alu! 3, 2, 1! Mga tawahan din mo hila. Dili! Dili ka na game na yung 3 rumbers.
Si Joy man lagi meron. Si Joy man lagi meron.
Ang hilo.
Ayaw makatalo si Romer Joy. Padol ka ba iba? Padol. Ay,
nagpagdala ang buhagan. Umagbog na yan. Sogod. Di mo maluyan ang tambitak sa'yo? Pagpo na kayo?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ay,
Pagkalitag na kayo. Ang bread ka. Ay, na. Ano na makalig yun?
Kumbanga. 2, 1. Ay, tuwaya. Go. Start go. Timer. Go.
Dahil kapoy ka training, dahil.
Pasuyak ko na.
Nakatawan. Murag naman, boss.
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ala. Tingnan ko ka talaga.
Wala, bawal na ba trainer at trainee?
Ano ba yun? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ganun ng shattered once. 2, 1. Go!
Hi, Del Rodmore.
Hi, Del Rodmore. Sige, tignan. We have 20 seconds left. So we have 3 points. 1. Only one players. Start.
Bawal man mo make face! Bawal bitaw! Why exemption? Why exemption?
Link twice at link twice.
Tapos Miss Joey ba? Nagtago
Link twice. Sige, start na ta ha. Ang malapas ang TL, out.
Out na, kalamang step.
If I will say right, left. Okay?
Sige.
Oh. Left. Left. Right. Right. Left. 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 Right. Left. Left. Ano na mo diha?
Ow! Wala, tangtanan.
Okay, okay, okay. Ako na out.
Ay, bati.
Ako na out.
Ilisi ang koy, wala kape. Hoy, si Kape sad. Dugay kay kalihok.
Okay. Right.
Ah! Ang TL ba?
Okay. Right. Left. Right.
Ay, wala. Nileft sa GC.
Miss Joey, pa-report late MC Michelle.
Ibang screen.
2 minutes.
Nagkukulit. Okay. Oh, look yun. Times mo yung ano. Right. Right. Left. Left.
Si Rose.
Right. Left. Right. Left. Left. O sa hinay kayo, lukso guys.
Lugi ni Lovely. Ni follow sa process.
Right. Left. 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 Right. Left. Right. Left.
Ano? Ninyo, dog! Alright!
For being again with the tranche 2, no matter what the circumstances is. Thank you! Thank you, Miss Joyce! Yay! Amoy sauce! Self-bash na lang dyan tayo. Award and ribbon is given to UMCJ. Lahiro, no? Awa! Thank you kayo, UM. Bye. Say stress.
The Story Traveler Award. This certificate is given to Kathleen Casas, aka Awa of Ranch 2, for having a detailed travel episode every day and the best mama of us. Aww.
Ano? Oh, i-appeal mo lang sad na.
This certificate is given to Joyce Rose Andalahao, aka Robin of Ranch 2, for having a good humor and cool in all aspects. Si Miss Joey tahimik lang sa umpisa, pero wag mo akong pilitin. Meron ka bang lemon? Gusto ko ng tequila.
So, this award is a wow award. Wow! This certificate is given to Rumor Ragasa, aka Upas of Ranch 2, for being a committed leader and organizer nga magmugtas judin mo through our very own spoiled youngest na neskwila lang for clout para aesthetic tanawon. Clout ra dyan na siya.
Paul Rusty Lagun, aka Papa P of Ranch 2, for being well-dressed every day with deeply reserved thoughts and tagay body ng all that pops like a bubble that leaves a message. Bounce ako. Mindful Award. This certificate is given to Jasmine Maris Luminario, aka the strong independent woman of Ranch 2, for being mindful, dedicated, and strong woman. The ate that we didn't know we needed. Tama ng pagpapanggap.
Smile.
Fresh Award. This certificate is given to John Errol Amodia, aka Shaya of Ranch 2, for being fresh of all the time, no matter how stressed the situation. Who likes to being spunked? Sana all. The Smiling Emoji Award. This certificate is given to Lovely Largo, aka Perfect Smile of Ranch 2. Regardless how bad the situation is, she will just smile at you like nothing happened. Our Pambansang Ang Award. This certificate is given to Karil P. Quezon, aka Overthinker of Ranch 2, for being clumsy and transparent in all ways. The weather, laugh life, and crying baby. Nap Queen Award. Sorry, Nap Queen Award. This certificate is given to Michelle Dinopol, aka Mitsay of Ranch 2, for being marupok and for tagging wrap up without having a customer. Kinsa ra guna sila? Type Award, guy. This certificate is given to Dexter Angelo Villarreal, aka Lucky of Ranch 2, for having million words per day when you start having a conversation with him.
Are you asleep? Are you a robot?
Award is the Hard Schooling Award. This certificate is given to John Minyo Amalia, aka future puyat na engineer of Ranch 2. Even the tsunami hits, for zombie apocalypse to happen, he must have a perfect attendance.
Perfect na.
No award. This certificate is given to Roslyn Auri, aka the Flexible of Ranch 2, for being supportive in any decision of the group. Basta musayo ra jud na siya. Wow! Is our Pangkalawakang Ate Award. This certificate is given to Gary Denise Cajoles, aka the Caring Ate of Ranch 2, for being a coffee dragon with a heart that cares too much.
That's horrible. Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
So, most problematic award. This certificate is given to Bernadette Joy Esquejo, aka Sadness of Ranch 2, for having a lot of problems from boarding house to I-exchange process and love life since day one.
Hala ka, kuya, ginalik. May certificate. Walang nakadaog.
Pinarabang may voucher sa bayutan ano. Sa CR na po to.
I got this girl, she gon' go